Welcome to John Lewis 3D Learning. In this presentation, we are going to see water chapter in 9th standard chemistry. The topic is solution. So the various subheadings of this solution is solute, solvent, solution, binary solution, ternary solution, quaternary solution, homogeneous solution, and heterogeneous solution. So these are the various terms we are going to learn in this presentation. See, first of all, let us take solute. See, already we have learnt in previous video lessons, many times we have come across this word solute. And what is it? See, suppose we dissolve sugar in water. Suppose you add sugar to water. So let us take water in a container. And if we add sugar, what will happen to sugar? So this is water. And we are adding sugar to it. What will happen to sugar? Sugar gets dissolved in water. Am I right? Therefore, what is solute? The substance which dissolves is known as solute. So that is what is, we have to be very clear. The substance which dissolves is known as solute. Okay, when sugar dissolves in water, then what is solute? Because sugar dissolves in water, sugar. See, for example, you take the same thing. Here you are adding sugar to water taken in a container. So what happens? The sugar dissolves. So the sugar dissolves in water. Okay, where it dissolves, in which substance it dissolves? Sugar dissolves in water. Therefore, the substance in which the solute dissolves is known as solvent. So what is a solvent? The substance in which the solute dissolves. The solute dissolves is known as solvent. Okay, so this is what very clear. We have to be very clear with this concept. So the substance which it dissolves is solute. The substance in which the solute dissolves is solvent. Therefore, here sugar is solute and water is solvent. Clear? So instead of water, it can be any other solvent also, maybe, in which the sugar dissolves. Okay. So let us move on to the next subheading. So what is meant by solution? Same thing. When you are adding a solute to a solvent, it gets mixed up. Am I right? So we have taken water. We take the same example, sugar. So sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. Sugar gets dissolved in the water. Therefore, what is a solution? It is a homogeneous mixture of a solute and solvent. It is a homogeneous mixture of a solute and solvent is known as solution. So the number of solute may be one solute or maybe more than one solute, and solvent also may be more than one solvent. So it's a homogeneous mixture. So what is meant by homogeneous? So for the time being, you remember it as uniform, and we will see it in the upcoming slide. What is the exact meaning of homogeneous? For the time being, you can see uniform mixture. Okay, so what is a solution? The homogeneous mixture of a solute and solvent is known as solution. Sugar solution, salt solution. So we can give lots of examples. So the next heading is binary solution. What is binary solution? Binary solution is a solution. That means what? It is a homogeneous mixture of two components, only two components. That means what? There should be one solute and one solvent. Same example we take, water and sugar. So water is a solvent and sugar is a solute. Okay, here how many components are there? One solute and one solvent. Therefore, there are only two components present in the solution. Therefore, this is known as binary solution. So how can you define binary solution? Binary solution is a solution. Binary solution is a solution in which only two components are present. Only two components Two components means what? One solute and one solvent. Two components are present. Simple, make it very simple. Binary solution is a solution first of all. That means what? Homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. So instead of writing such a big sentence, we are writing binary solution is a solution in which only two components are present. That means one solute and one solvent. Understood? Okay, next one. What is meant by ternary solution? Can you guess what it is? So ternary solution is a solution in which three components are present. How can you get three components? For example, you take water. Water is a solvent. So you dissolve two different solutes. Maybe one sugar and the other solute is sodium chloride salt. So both get dissolved in water. Am I right? Both dissolve in water. Therefore, here how many components are there? Three components are there. Two solutes and one solvent. Therefore, what is a ternary solution? Ternary solution is a solution. Ternary solution is a solution in which three components are present. In which three components or three substances are present. Is it clear? Here two solutes and one solvent. Therefore, altogether three components or three substances. Therefore, this is known as ternary solution. Okay. The next one, quaternary solution. So, what is meant by quaternary? Quarter means 1/4, no 4. Okay. Therefore, here it should be consist of what? How many components? 4 components. Okay. You take water and you add three different solutes. Solute 1, solute 2 and solute 3. Okay, so three different solutes are there, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, therefore what is quaternary solution? Quaternary solution is a solution. So by now you can, you would have completed on your own using the same type of definitions. Quaternary solution is a solution in which 4 components are present. 4 components are present. So here in this example, 3 solutes and 1 solvent. It may be 2 solute and 2 solvents, but it should be homogeneous mixture. It should be a homogeneous mixture. So generally 1 solvent and 3 solutes. So now let's see what is meant by homogeneous solution. Already when we learned what is solution, I told you homogeneous mixture. So what is meant by homogeneous mixture? See, let us say you are sipping a cool drink from its bottle. So the first sip tastes sweet and the second sip tastes salty. That means what? The ingredients dissolved in the juice is not evenly distributed. It is not uniformly spread all over the solvent. So that is why that was not tasting the same. Every sip was tasting differently. Suppose every sip tastes the same, then that means what? The solute dissolved in that solvent is evenly distributed. So that is what is meant by homogeneous solution. So therefore, what is meant by homogeneous solution? Homogeneous solution is a clear solution. Is homogeneous solution is a clear solution. Is a clear solution in which so the solute is evenly distributed. Evenly means what? Uniformly. Everywhere same taste. Evenly distributed in the solvent. Throughout the solvent or in the solvent. Okay, this is what is meant by homogeneous solution. Then what is the opposite of homogeneous solution? Suppose the solute is not evenly, then that is known as heterogeneous solution. What is meant by heterogeneous solution? Heterogeneous solution is a solution in which the solute is not evenly distributed. So heterogeneous solution is a solution or is a clear solution. Is it a clear solution? No, it is not a clear solution. So heterogeneous solution is a solution because the solute is not evenly distributed. Therefore, heterogeneous solution is a solution in which the solute is not evenly distributed. Not evenly distributed in the solvent. Therefore, it cannot be a solution. Am I right? So solution means what? It's a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. So heterogeneous may not be what? It may not be a solution. Okay, but it is a solution in which the solid is not evenly distributed the solvent. So its behavior will be slightly different from the true solution. That is when the solute is completely dissolved and it is evenly distributed. Okay, is it clear? So you will be learning something about colloids and so many other various forms of solutions. So in the higher classes. So for the time being, you can take it as the solute is not evenly distributed in the solvent. That's it. Okay, hope you understood every concept very clearly. Even though I repeated the same thing several times, it is for your benefit, and I hope you have understood all these definitions very clearly. So thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please click the like button and share it with your friends. Until we meet next time, bye bye.